Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Armogear Handbow and Target set. Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chandler.
And this is Damaged Darts, where we specialize in converting ordinary Nerf blasters into extraordinary prop blasters from popular video games and movies, and show you how you can do it too. If you like what you see in this channel, won't you be so kind as to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a thumbs up like, and a positive comment below. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and review of the Armogear Handbow and Target. Alright, so before we go to trying out the laser battle, we're going to open up the handbow and take a look at this also. There we go. Cover cardboard. Alright, so we've got a little bit of assembly we need to do. Okay, we've got the target. There are the darts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 darts.
And the directions.
Set this up here. There we go. We'll just stay there.
Let's see what we're looking at on the flip side here. There's the bow.
There. Grab the utility now.
That's fine.
Oh, you got it.
Just
okay.
Tear it. Okay, so there's the bow.
I think you can just pull it through. Yeah. Just be careful.
Let's take that.
Here, I'll hold this. There we go.
Right,
Slide it. Okay.
Looks like.
Alright. It's got quite a bit. This is a piece of metal here. Yeah.
Ooh. Very cool. Alright, well it's going to have a lot of tension here. It's already got quite a bit of tension to the bow already. I thought maybe we'd need to mod this and pull. I was thinking of pulling this in and adding an additional inch of tension, but this is a lot of tension on already. I don't think I'm going to need to do that. So it's going to be too much.
Alright, so that looks like it goes in that way.
Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and follow the instructions, get this together, and then we will take this out and try it out as well and see what it can do. Actually, before we get this out to test it out, I thought I would go ahead and show you guys how to put this together. So we can use this as a reference. So I'm looking on here, facing this way. I'm going to want the
Make sure
string.
the big notch right there.
This notch right here is going to be going into this slot here, and the bowstring is underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and get that fixed in place. Alright. That looks like it's pretty seated in center, and then there's a little metal bracket that goes right under this with the Phillips head. Again, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Put this all together.
Grab the darts here. See, I think they click in right here.
Do they?
Ah, they do. Cool.
Okay, so that's nice and seated. You don't want to on any kind of screw, you don't want to really bear down on it. Just a nice firm purchase there is all you need. You don't want to over torque on it. So those all looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, yeah, 5 of those.
And then the sixth one goes on top, so it's 6 darts storage pretty much.
Yep, alright, so now...
And if you guys are interested in purchasing this, they have it available on their Armogear website or on Amazon.com for $29.99.
Yep, and we'll put a link in the description below for that. So let's get this out there and give it a try. Before we head out there to try it out down the hallway, I thought I would also show you how to properly prime and fire this. There's a little catch to it. You pull it all the way until it is seated firmly behind that ledge there. That's how you want it, not up behind this little black lever. You want it right behind that orange lip. That's how you have it primed. And then, here's the tricky part. When you put the dart in, there are 2 little slots. I can show you that right there. There's 2 little notches underneath that black lever there. Well, that's where 2 of these fins have got to slide into it, and then you'll have it click right there in place. What that does is it uninitiates the safety mechanism, and it is ready and primed to fire. And then you can just pull it, and there you go. So now we'll take it out and give it a try. All right, so we're out here in the hallway. We're gonna give this a try, but I wanted to talk a little bit about the features of this. The quality is very, very good. It is super durable. The plastic body here is solid plastic all the way through this portion here. So pretty much everything is a solid plastic mold. The bow is a spring steel, so the tension is immense on this super durable nylon string. So when you get this, you will be getting a very good quality crossbow here. So we're going to have, actually Chandler's going to be demoing it. He's going to be talking about how to operate this, how to prime it, load the dart, and fire it downrange at the target.
So I'll pass it over here and All right, so I'm going to hold this up nice and close here to show you guys the how to prime this and load the darts in there. So you want to pull back on either side of the nylon string, pulling it back until it goes down into that deeper notch, not behind this black safety, but all the way down into the notch. And then you're going to take a dart, and these two fins, when you line it up here, there's going to be 2 notches down there. I don't know if you can see it. There's 1 and 2. But these fins line up and press in, and that disengages the safety right there, and then you're ready to fire the dart. Alright, aim here, see if I can hit the middle. Oh! First try! Bullseye! First try! Alright, I'm gonna fire another one here real quick. Oh man! This thing is really good. Yeah, that's another thing. The front and rear sight are very, very accurate on this thing. Alright. Oh, man, that thing is awesome. I almost got it, but here, let's try it one more.
You can split the dart. Just try them all.
Okay, yeah, might as well. Might as well.
Oh, there was! It was! You
bounced off another one.
You split the arrow on the bullseye.
Alright.
Oh, again! It bounced off. There was another bullseye.
And last one here. Alright. Yep.
Oh, again! That was like 5
That was
bullseyes.
like 5 out of 6 bullseyes right there. Man, this thing is absolutely awesome.
Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed watching that unboxing and review of the Armogear Handbow and Target. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, just click the double D icon below. You'll help us create more cool content for your enjoyment and inspiration. Until next time, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chandler.
And this is Damaged Darts.